when you're having a good time, you want it to never end. And when you're suffering and miserable with the flu and cold and bed, and you want it to end immediately, but it just drags on and on. Minute, you say, oh my, you sleep, you wake up, oh, I hope it must be late, it must be evening time. Oh, it's 10 o'clock, I took rest at 9. It's only 10, and then you get a little tea and walk around, read a little bit, and then feel not so good, and lie down again. Oh, I slept a long time, it must be time for dinner now. Oh, it's 11 a.m. So the time factor just bites you like a bulldog. The time factor bites you like a bulldog when you're sick and just doesn't let go of you. But when so when you're having a good time, it just goes by. Your good time goes by like a Ferrari. It just zoom. You go to somewhere and with good friends, good vibes, good place, good times, and before you know it, poof, it's over. So, Hare Krishna. Tomorrow's another day. So when Krishna was in his Rasa dance, dancing with the gopis, they were thinking, we don't want this to end. We want this good time to roll on and on and on. So then Krishna said, all right. And he looked at Chandradev. He just glanced at Chandradev and he said, don't go anywhere. Don't even think about setting. Don't even think about resting. You're not going to rest tonight. Because usually he rises and he falls after some 10 hours. He sets. You stay there. You stay right on the top of the sky and as like a beautiful spotlight, and you illuminate the whole sand, the camphor powder sandy banks of the Yamuna. Because I want to see the beautiful faces of Radharani and the gopis. But if you go down, you sit there, and I can't see. So, can you imagine a spotlight, having the moon for a spotlight? Have you ever performed on stage? Have you ever been on stage, dancing, singing, speaking, anything, stage, audience, at night, and there's these spotlights and blinding your eyes, and it's so, you're on the stage, and there may be 5,000 people, 10,000 I've seen, I've experienced, and you can't see the people because the lights are. You stand up. You're supposed to give, in my case, give some lecture or something at some program or whatever here and there, Rath Yatra, different things. So it's nighttime, and you go like this. You put your hands like this. Oh, is anybody there? And everybody's there. But if you're just looking, it's like the Brahmajyoti. Have you ever? It's like anything, even a small hall of it is like. But now contrast those lights with the spotlight of the full moon, Chandrama. Soft, soothing, cooling, enervating. It enhances your romantic feelings, and there's no man-made or woman-made or scientist-made light that will have that kind of effect. There's no more beautiful light than the moonlight. It's so soothing and so calming and so energizing for the subtle body, and relaxing and eye-opening. If you spend time with the moonshine, we spend time with the sunshine and then we ignore the moonshine. And the moonshine is the other half of the coin. So Krishna is a moon lover. He's Krishna Chandra, and Radharani is Chandramukhi. Chandramukhi means her mouth, her face is like the like soothing, like the orb of a moon. It's beautiful. So that's what happened. He made the night as long as the night of a day of Brahma, millions of years. So Prabhupada, as a commentary, he says, Radha and Krishna, the Vraja-gopis, they enjoy all these pastimes. Thus the gopis are blessed by the mercy of Krishna, for they transcendentally enjoyed Krishna's company without a tinge of amorous feelings. That's a very nice commentary in this verse 46.